Hello everybody and welcome to Dynamic Motors. Today we're going to show you a quick walk around cold start for this 1992 Chevrolet Corvette with 28,000 original miles. It's red on the outside, beautiful gray leather on the inside. The car is extra nice, extra clean, garage kept, original miles, beautiful collectible car. Okay. Paint is in great shape. There's few little scuffs. Other than that, it's really nice. So door panels are clean, plastics are good, carpets are in great shape. Just need a little bit of a cleanup. Other than that, it's pretty nice shape. Okay. Look at the leather condition. All the power options seems to be working just fine. Seats, climate control, window regulators. Car runs and drives great. Beautiful performance. Brakes are good, tires in pretty good shape. There's a couple little dots in the back. I think this car used to have a spoiler and it was removed. That's about it here. Looks like holes from a spoiler. It's like, okay. So you can put another spoiler on it if needed. This is for the gas tank. You have a shade. There's an extra compartment here. Okay. Speakers in the back. Glass is good. Windshield is good. I had this car on the lot for $19,995. If you do an online searches, you might find some internet specials. So just take advantage of it. There's a slight crack in the clear coat. You can barely see it. It's like a hair theme. Like I said, the car is very clean. Maybe a couple little scuffs, that's about it. The mirror has a small scuff here, okay? So it could be easily repainted, it's no big deal. The lights are working, so let's start this up so you can see for yourself. Driver's side. Look at the quality of it. Steering wheel is in great shape. All the buttons pretty clean. Look, you see, it's definitely above average. The panel is good, no cracks. Driver's seat is in great condition. A little bit of wear on the passenger, the left side cushion. But you can either paint this over or just replace it for like $150. That's the button. This is tool for the top to open the T-top. This is release for the glass. Okay. Oh, by the way, people asking production date for exporting. There's a VIN number. There is the production date. It's September 1991. Okay. The original manufacturer sticker. Let me pop that trunk for you. Oops, hold on. Okay. Here we go. No. Alright, let's start this up. So you have a key for the outside door and the key to start the vehicle. Starts very, very easy. The original miles, 28,053. All the gauges working properly. Horn works. Windows operating properly. Up and down. Central lock button also working. Okay. There's no check engine light. No airbag light. Beautiful car. The AC blows cold and the heater works as well. Radio is working. Radio is working. Seats are moving. Tilting. Going up, going down. Everything is original on this car. Driver's side moving. See? Engine runs smooth. No noises. Beautiful collectible car. Okay. And let me show you the what it's called, lights. Okay. All working. So any questions, give us a call. For more pictures and details, check the website dynamicmotorsflorida.com. And if you want us to help you with some shipping, we can give you some shipping quotes nationwide or worldwide. Thank you guys.